Considering a tankless water heater for your Oakland, California home? For most homeowners, it's a smart choice that can provide countless benefits for years to come. But many people have misgivings about going tankless, often because they don't understand how these modern systems work. A residential tankless water heater is more energy efficient, produces hot water on demand, and provides an endless hot water supply. So how do these innovative water heaters work? In truth, they're actually quite simple. Inside the small tankless water heater is a heat exchanger that will instantly heat the water in the pipes, and it only starts to heat the water when you need it, equaling incredible energy savings and convenience. As long as you're using the hot water in your Oakland, California home, the heat exchanger will continue to provide you with hot water. If your current East Bay hot water heater is not keeping up with the demand, or you simply want to be more energy efficient, a tankless water heater is best. Call us today at 510-399-8744 for a free quote for a tankless water heater installation for your Oakland, California home.